Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another video and I will show to you how I did my peachy Christmas makeup look during my gig on the Christmas Eve. Let's start! So to start with, I will use my Beauty Vault Rejuvenating Toner to clean my face. I just want to share to you guys that this is my everyday best friend. Stay tuned for my next video because I made a review about this product. Of course, I just want to thank Beauty Vault family for sending me this maintenance set. Okay, so next I will use this Beauty Glazed Unicorn Essence to prime my face. A little goes a long way, so be careful guys. Okay, so next let's go to foundation, and I will use this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Blend, blend, blend! We just have to blend it well in order for us to reach our desired coverage. For the concealer, I will use this Perfect Sky Concealer from Beauty Glazed. And now let's bake! I will use this Nichido Final Powder to set my face. So before we blend the powder, let's put eyebrows first. And I will use this eyebrow pencil from Beauty Glazed. Blend it well because as we all know, kilay is life! Now let's finalize the eyebrows using this concealer from BYS. And now it's time for my favorite part, the eyeshadow. And I will use this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, and yes, so far this is one of my favorite palette. Okay, so I already applied the white eyeshadow on my eyelids, and this time I will put this light brown eyeshadow on my crease. Make sure to blend it well. Okay, so next, let's apply this light orange shade eyeshadow. Okay, so next, let's apply this pink one. Yes, on the same area also. Alright, so now let's put some darker shade. Just make sure to blend it well. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now let's apply concealer so that we can apply another shade on top of it. Okay, so after I applied the concealer, I used this glittery red eyeshadow and I applied it in the center. Then, I applied a little bit of white glitter eyeshadow on top of it. So next, it's time to blend the setting powder. And now, let's go to contour. And now let's go to blush. I will use this blush on powder from Beauty Glazed. Just be careful in applying the product because it's so pigmented and I so love it. This time, let's outline the lips using this Ever Belena lip liner. Next, let's fill it in using this Avon lipstick. Anyway guys, I'm sorry if ngayon ko lang na-upload yung video na to because the whole island was affected with bagyong Ursula and yes, affected yung lahat, yung electricity, yung signal and everything. So, I'm so sorry once again guys if ngayon ko lang na-upload to. Happy New Year to everyone! After the lipstick, let's go to highlighter. And I will use this highlighter from Beauty Glazed. Alright, so I'm not yet done with the eyes. And yes, let's go back to the under eye part. Okay, so I will just finalize my look and I'll be back.